Hello and welcome to Whiteland Restorations.
We are just bringing you an update of what we've been getting up to in the workshop because we have been so busy. We feel like we're neglecting you a little bit.
Yeah, and it's such a mess.
It's such a mess.
It's so messy, I don't like filming.
We are just overloaded with work. It's getting to the end of the year. Everything's just piling up on top of us, and we're just like, oh my god, we haven't even filmed anything.
I'm phoning customers and saying that car's going to have to wait till next year. I've got another one to phone up today to say that's going to have to wait till next year. That's that, isn't it?
That's it. I mean, we're trying our hardest to get through all the work. We've got 2 extra guys working with us as well, and we're still getting overloaded with work.
Yeah.
But we're going to show you what's going on. We can't show you the main reason why we're so inundated because...
Might do... We'll ask and see if we can do a walk around when it's finished.
Yeah.
Just a quick walk around.
Because it's bloody gorgeous.
Yes, it's a lovely thing.
It's gorgeous. But, yeah, we're basically... Everything, all the hours are on that project at the moment.
And it's delaying everything.
Everything else.
Fiesta SuperSport is being worked on.
It is?
That also has to be finished by the start of January or Christmas.
We're aiming for Christmas.
Has to be finished. Which is mad because that's only 4 weeks, and I'm pretty sure there's 3 weeks of work left on the car that we're not allowed to discuss.
And we're also working on the T2 as well. We've made huge progress on that, and that's coming along lovely. But you know, we've also got people dropping stuff off and projects out here. Let's have a look around.
Random surprises. Here, fix that.
Should we have a look around? Let's have a look around. Oh, Lewis, do you need another coffee?
I need a nap.
You need a nap. Lewis has been working all the hours that are available in the world and not sleeping either. Yay. And we've been dealing with illness in the house as well.
It's all going on.
It's all going on.
So this is pile number 1 of mess.
Yeah, pile number 1. Look, here we go. This is... Oh, my goodness me, there's so much. We're not doing the VX. That's just come out. It is for sale. If you're interested in the VX 220 project, hit us up, okay? Because that's going.
Tractor bonnet from local tractor dealership. Used to do a lot of them. Don't do them anymore. He just dropped one off. And
we can't say no.
He didn't say no.
He's a friend of ours.
Little red Golf.
Yeah. So the metalwork's getting done in little stages on this. Look at this. It was so bent. Look at that. So this is getting repaired. Ooh, we're doing when we can squeeze it in, but that's not looking too bad. That's the
one that I might have to phone about today and say that I have to wait.
A little bit of a delay.
Nothing really to do. Just other things are more important. We bought some wheels for the van.
Oh yeah, look, we bought T5 wheels. Hold on.
This.
Look at these.
BMW Fat 5s.
Fat 5s.
Really cool.
Staggered ones as well. Look at the thickness of that tyre there.
Look at the rubber band profile.
I know. Who's getting these profiles?
On that.
What is that?
The same person who can't drive near curbs, apparently.
Yeah, I mean, it's a 30, Lewis, a 30. I mean, that is some curbage on that. Have you seen that?
Great.
We're gonna repair and refurbish these, but they're gonna be painted and they'll look gorgeous. But these are some panels that we're painting at the moment. Don't look at them.
Moving further up, the MG, I've already let down the customer and said...
Gonna be a delay.
Has to be a delay. Roof, basically, repairs are done. It needs keying up and spray filler, and the welding's been done.
Yeah.
So the major repairs are done.
You just see down here, look, repairs are done. Roof is repaired. It just needs to be...
The old bit.
Is that the old bit that was taken out? Yeah. Gross, isn't it?
Yeah.
But there we go. This is getting done. The stag customer's waiting. That's
Stag's in storage.
Stag's in storage, so we're not too worried about that. But look at this.
T2 campers, face off.
Oh my goodness me. Face off, metal cut out, metal put back in.
We're going to put this
all this new metal here.
This goes here.
New piece there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't going to say anything. But no, it's, just a bit of Fiesta there. But look at this. We have done all these repairs. This is...
Well, that's yet to be sorted out, I think. But yes, so many new panels.
Yeah, we've got a new fabricator, Sam. He is doing the business on this.
But we've swapped focus from there to here.
SuperSport time. A lot of people keep asking us, when's the SuperSport coming back out? It's out, guys. It's out.
And it won't be here for much longer. We are getting rid of it. It's going to be welded, it's going to get painted, it's going to get gone.
It is, but look lovely progress on this. We've got nice fresh metal.
Yeah, bits have been welded in nicely.
There we go.
There we go. Beautiful.
Don't know if you remember this. I will try and film an episode on this soon. Can you see that? The lighting's not the best. But no, it's coming along lovely. Metalwork will be finished within the next 2 weeks.
Yeah.
2 weeks.
Hopefully.
And then we'll be on to body prep and it'll be painted and the shell will be super duper.
Yeah, we've ordered parts to make a trolley, to bolt it to the trolley to go back to it forever home.
Yeah.
But yeah.
But good progress. So as you can see, we're in a bit of disarray at the moment. Disarray.
Another word for this. This is just chaos.
We had such a lovely tidy workshop.
Do you want to see a massive pile of scrap?
I'd love to see a massive pile of scrap.
This is all camper van.
This is what we. Oh, this is what we've. Yeah, the Hoover. This is what we've cut out of the camper van and replaced so far.
I think we've showed them this before. Actually.
Oh, maybe some people have missed it, but we're keeping this all together for the end video. Isn't that going to be something? I mean, there's all sorts in there, but no, it's coming on absolutely fantastically. I'm really happy with the progress on this. I just wish I could pull it out to show you more. I mean, look, all the steps are done, and check that out in there. It's just so nice, so nice. But this is the problem. You see, we don't rush things. We do things properly, so it's going to take time.
Yeah,
and that's it. Do it right. Do it once.
For this, I'm going to be calling in all the favours that I've ever done anything for anybody.
Yeah.
Going, you owe me something. Come in and let's get it done.
So I think we're going to be cracking on with this today. Are we going to be waiting for the trolley to do the front panel, or we're going to? Yeah. I think it'd probably be best.
Actually, I might just go and build.
You're going to put it on trestles? All right, look at this. Next time you see this will all be perfect again. Yeah. Man, it was really crispy in places, wasn't it?
You want to start in this?
5 years ago
when we started YouTube, this was the first car.
It was. This was the first car on the channel. But, you know, these things take time. Look at that. That's the problem when you say don't rush. But no, it's going to be worth it in the end. In a couple of weeks, you won't know what's hit it.
And then when the new year comes around, we've got a whole load of new projects that we'll be starting. We've got the Stagua to be done.
A Jag, XJS, windscreen repair.
This will get fixed. We're sort of half contemplating, well, I am half contemplating, on keeping the VX220 to do a build of unusual proportions.
Oh, I'm not sure. It's a big project for a little car.
Yeah. It'd be fun.
Look, if anybody wants to buy it.
Anyway, in the next year as well, we've got the Club Sport needs a full repaint and the rear subframe to be reconditioned, and the T5.
And all the other projects, no doubt, we'll have.
And the X5 needs its butt painting.
Yeah, X5 paint.
Not that it's desperate, it's just that it's not very well done.
It needs to be top tier.
Yeah.
And not only have we got all those jobs, but the E30 needs finishing properly.
I just need to tune it.
It needs to tune it. You need to have time to tune that car.
We're going to bring your MGB GT out and tarp that up to sell.
The MGB GT is going to be for sale.
And we're going to put most of the money from that on suspension for the Volvo.
The thing is, I've decided that I'm not really driving the MG, and it hasn't got seatbelts in the back. It's not exactly the safest classic car to have two children in. I'd have to choose one of them not to have a seatbelt or retrofit the lap belts, which you might as well not have them. So it's going to go for sale. And we're going to get air ride for the Volvo instead, and get that suspension out and get the good stuff in.
No more rattly suspension.
No more rattly bone shakers, no.
I've always disliked driving it because of the rattly suspension.
It was getting to the point at the end of last season that it was getting...
I took it for a spin down the road and it just felt like it was all going to come out from underneath it.
I'll do another video on that later on. I'll tell you about all the experiences I've had with the suspension setup on the Volvo and how it actually started to get undrivable. So that's another reason why it went away early as well. Time and funds to sort it out, I'm afraid. So that's all the plans for after the new year. But we're going to try and keep you updated with everything that's going on.
We're going to try our best as to do a Christmas spectacular on the SuperSport. It might end up being a January spectacular.
It might end up being a January. It might end up being... It might end up being a live. No,
it'll be a...
It's going to be a special? Right, okay. We'll try and do some sort of special. We're going to try and film a proper update on the T2. But bear with us, guys. We're trying our best. We're juggling business, family, and YouTube at the moment. And illness.
Yes.
It seems to be the sneezing for sneezes.
Sneezing for sneezes.
Oh, yeah, it's funny in my mind.
Okay.
Right then, we will see you soon. Have a good one, guys.
Ciao.
Ciao.